Sleep is an essential component of our overall health and well-being, impacting aspects such as mental function, mood regulation, and even physical health. In fact, studies have shown that getting quality sleep can boost your immune system, improve memory and learning, and lower the risk of chronic conditions like heart diseases and diabetes. Given the numerous advantages of sleeping well, it's crucial to establish habits that promote quality rest. Today, we will be diving deep into the interesting world of sleep and sharing various strategies to help you improve your sleep quality, ultimately ensuring that you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. So without wasting further time, let's explore this proven method to enhance your sleep experience and tap into the full potential of good night of sleep. Number 1. Optimize your sleep environment. Our journey begins with creating ideal sleep environment. Your bedroom should be a sanctuary that promotes relaxation and rest, allowing your mind and body to fully recharge. In order to maintain a proper environment, use cooler temperatures, typically between 15 to 19 degrees Celsius, that promote better sleep. Experiment with the different temperatures to find what works best for you. Another way to create a better environment is to minimize external noise. Use earplugs or white noise machine or a fan to reduce disturbance and create a calm atmosphere. Soundproofing your bedroom can also be a worthwhile investment. Also make sure that you dim the lights. Use blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out lights, as even small amount of light can disrupt your sleep. Consider replacing bright bedroom lights with a dimmer, warmer bulbs to create a relaxing ambience. Number 2. Establish a consistent sleep schedule. Consistency is crucial for achieving quality sleep. Our bodies have an internal clock known as the circadian rhythm, which regulates our sleep-wake cycle. Developing a consistent sleep schedule helps to synchronize this rhythm. Going to bed and waking up the same time each day, including weekends, helps to regulate your internal clock and improve sleep quality over time. Avoid long naps during the day, especially in the late afternoon or evening, as they can disrupt your nighttime sleep. If you need a nap, aim for 20 to 30 minutes early in the day. Create a bedtime routine to signal your body and mind that it's time to wind down. This may include a warm bath, gentle stretching, reading, or listening to calming music. Number 3. Limit exposure to electronic devices. Electronic devices emit blue light, which can interfere with our sleep by suppressing the production of melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep. Turn off screens at least an hour before bedtime. This includes televisions, computers, smartphones, and tablets. Use night mode or blue light filters on the devices in the evening to reduce the impact of blue light exposure. Engage in relaxing activities such as reading a physical book, meditating, practicing deep breathing exercise, or gentle stretching before sleep. These activities can help calm your mind and prepare your body for rest. Number 4. Monitor food and beverage intake. Diets play a significant role in sleep quality. What we consume can either help or hinder our ability to fall asleep and stay asleep. Avoid heavy meals and spicy foods close to bedtime, as they can cause indigestion and discomfort, making it difficult to sleep. Limit caffeine intake, especially in the afternoon and evening. Caffeine is a stimulant that can disrupt your sleep, so opt for decaffeinated beverages or herbal teas instead. Also be mindful of alcohol consumption, as it can negatively impact sleep quality. Number 5. Incorporate regular exercise. Regular physical activity can contribute to better sleep, as it helps regulate your circadian rhythm, reduce stress, and improve mood. However, timing is essential for this. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise on most days. This can include activities like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling. Regular exercise has been shown to improve sleep quality and duration. Schedule workouts earlier in the day, preferably in the mornings or afternoon. Exercising during this time can help energize you throughout the day and promote better sleep at night. Avoid intense exercise within 3 hours of bedtime, as it may increase alertness and hinder sleep onset. If you prefer evening workout, choose lighter activities like yoga or gentle stretching to promote relaxation. So by following these tips, you will be on your way to improving your sleep quality and waking up feeling refreshed. Remember, quality sleep is vital for your overall health and well-being. Implement these strategies and let me know how they work for you in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next video.